Welcome to Footy Amigo. Before you get started, here are some key things to help you get the best out of your account. Firstly, in order to receive match alerts, you need to download the Footy Amigo app. This process only takes 5 seconds. Click on the link that says click here to download our app to start receiving your alerts. Then click on the Connect button. You will be redirected to the iOS App Store if you're on an Apple device or to the Google Play Store if you're on an Android device. Install the app, open it, and log in with your Footy Amigo login details. Voila! You are in. Click on the Alerts button and verify your phone number. Once verified, a phone linked successfully message will show up. You are now connected and will start receiving all your alerts. Go back to your web browser and click on the Refresh Connection button, and you should now be connected. Time to skyrocket your winning potential. Create unlimited pre-match and in-play strategies and be alerted on the go. Explore the amazing fixtures page. Pick high-quality games daily from the streak page. Take advantage of the tested and profitable betting systems with ready-to-import strategies. Explore high-quality fixtures on the Bet Builder page powered by AI. Feeling lazy? Clone and steal profitable strategies from other amigos with one click. Oh, I almost forgot. We have helpful how-to videos in the Get Help tab whenever you need it. Welcome to Footy Amigo. Let's win!